Let's go exploring.
Yes.
Yeah?
Lots of other people to come here.
My dad's kind of drunk. Okay, hi, morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog with Kesvi. We've got 3 shows today. We're going for brunch at a place that my friend Armin recommended. I slightly look like a tennis player today because I've also got trainers on. I think tennis player vibes kind of suits me, to be honest. Yeah. Let's go exploring. So to eat, I got the eggs benedict with beetroot and feta and an iced tea to drink. It was so good. My mum got the granola and she also got avocado on toast with like 2 poached eggs, and my dad got the full English with haggis, and then my mum and me also got a Bellini and a mimosa too. It was perfect. Yeah.
The food here was excellent.
Yeah? Would you?
Full. Would I recommend other people to come? Yes.
Yeah?
Lots of other people to come here.
Everybody should come here. And the staff are really cool too. I didn't just say that because she walked past. They're actually really nice.
It was brilliant. The granola was really nice.
Yeah?
Had a taste of ginger. Was it not sourdough?
It was sourdough. It was avocado toast.
Avocado was really nice as well. So really love that. Definitely recommend. It's worth coming.
Yeah.
Have the mimosa.
Have the mimosa.
19 minutes walk to
To where?
Dean Village.
Dean. We went to Dean Village. So pretty, so picturesque. Literally looked like you're walking around in a Harry Potter novel, which was so cool because if you guys know me, you know how much I love Harry Potter. We then went and walked down the river. After you get to like the little waterfall thing, you actually can't walk with the river anymore. So we had a little one around the village and then met back up with like the river walk a little bit further down, and we found this super cute spot where you guys, it's such a good place to take photos. I'll link it in the description below, like where the exact location is on Google Maps. So definitely check that out if you're ever around that area. Anyway, after this we walked down the river until we got to like closer to the center of the city, and now we're gonna go see our first show of the day, which is an a cappella group. So I'm super excited about this.
I just thought you were cool enough to kick it out. Beach house, I can sell you I don't. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kissed you.
So after the show, we went to go meet my friends Tanisha and Ashley, and they got us a table at a place called Brewhemia, which is this awesome bar which has the most amazing decor. And there's such good vibes in this place. They have a performer who plays piano and sings, and look how cute this glass is.
Normally 3 pints start at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock it starts.
So we just finished at Bohemia, which I would 100% recommend if you guys are here and you want to get some drinks. They have all the kinds of drinks, all the kind of alcohols that you want. Yeah, definitely go there. You guys are here. We're gonna go to a whiskey tour now, so let's go.
So just whilst we're waiting, well, my name's Logan, and I'll be hosting this tasting today. Has anyone been here before or to any of our venues?
30 years ago.
We went.
Only 30 years ago. So they're shaped like a tulip for a very important reason. It's to concentrate flavours and aromas to the tip of the glass, and that, of course, flavours through your life. Sweet.
How's your haggis? Haggis.
Thank you. Enjoy.
I want to see you taste haggis.
Really?
Try it. Do it. What do you think? Whisky tasting was great. We got whiskey, 3 types of whiskey. He told us all about it. He was really good. Oh my god, I'm stepping on glass. He was really great. I can't remember what the guy's name is, but I'll put the link to the Whisky Society in the description below so you guys know. We are now going to our last show of the night. We had like 3 gins, the mimosa this morning. I had 3 different types of whiskey, so just saying. We're going to a comedy show called Doctor Who, so I'm excited for this. It's like a twist on Doctor Who. Today's been mental. I've drunk so much alcohol and we've done so many things, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, to be honest. My dad's kind of drunk. And my mum's kind of cold, so. Oh my god, I'm so tired. We decided after the show to get an Uber home because basically we'd been walking, we'd done like 20,000 steps and we were all quite tired and it was cold. So today was a really good day. We saw a lot of Edinburgh and it was really good to catch up with Tanisha. The shows and the whiskey tasting were all really, really great. Honestly, I asked people for recommendations and they came through so far. Anybody who wants to come to the Ed Fringe, like, you should do it. They have literally something for everybody. I am going to go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I will see you guys tomorrow.